Capital One catastrophe? Need help but stuck in chat limbo? Ever been stuck in a financial frenzy? Lost your card, need to freeze your account, or have a question about a mysterious charge? In today's digital age, the first instinct is to whip out your phone and reach for a friendly customer service rep, but what if your favorite bank doesn't offer live chat? That's the burning question on many a Capital One customer's mind. Does Capital One have live chat? The answer, like many things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Capital One's customer service options. The rise of the chatbots, enter Eno. Capital One has embraced the world of AI assistants, introducing Eno, their virtual companion designed to answer your financial woes. Eno is like a mini customer service rep in your pocket, accessible through text messages, the Capital One mobile app, and even their online banking platform. Eno to the rescue? What can this chatbot do? Let's paint a picture. You're stressing because you forgot your credit card PIN. Don't fret. Shoot Eno a quick message and they can guide you through the reset process. Need to make a quick payment? No sweat, Eno can handle that too. Eno's skill set goes beyond basic transactions. Feeling suspicious about an unfamiliar charge? Eno can help you dissect your statement and flag any potential red flags. Lost your card and need a quick freeze? Eno's got your back, well, your account, at least. But wait, there's a catch. While Eno sounds like a superhero for all your Capital One needs, there's a crucial caveat. Eno isn't available to every single customer. Capital One is slowly rolling out Eno's services, and some accounts might not be eligible for a chat with this digital whiz. So, how do you know if you can chat with Eno? There's no magic formula, but here's the lowdown. If you've been a Capital One customer for a while and have a standard credit card or bank account, you're likely in good shape. However, if you have a newer account or a more specialized product, you might be stuck waiting for Eno's magic touch to reach your corner of the Capital One universe. Beyond the bot, alternative avenues for help. Don't despair if Eno isn't there to hold your virtual hand. Capital One offers a few other ways to get in touch with a real, live human representative. Phone power, the good old-fashioned phone call is always an option. Capital One has a dedicated customer service hotline you can reach to speak with a representative. Social media savvy, Capital One also has a presence on social media platforms like Twitter. While a direct message might not be the most secure way to discuss sensitive financial information, it can be a good starting point to get pointed in the right direction. Website woes, don't underestimate the power of the Help Center on Capital One's website. Packed with FAQs, tutorials, and even troubleshooting guides, you might just find the answer you seek without needing to speak to anyone. The final verdict, a chatty conclusion. So, to answer the burning question, Capital One doesn't offer traditional live chat with a human representative, but their AI assistant Eno can be a valuable tool for many customers. However, Eno isn't available to everyone just yet. If you can't connect with Eno, don't panic. Capital One offers phone support, social media options, and a comprehensive help center to get you the assistance you need. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.